Razer is back with another top-tier gaming mouse. The Viper V3 Pro. Is it the best choice for competitive gamers? Let's find out in this quick performance review. Right out of the box, the Viper V3 Pro looks sleek and minimalistic, designed for esports pros and serious gamers. It's ultra lightweight at just grams, ensuring quick flicks and fast reactions. The ergonomic shape suits both claw and fingertip grip styles, making it comfortable for long hours of play. Now let's talk about performance. The V3 Pro is equipped with Razer's cutting-edge Focus Pro 35K optical sensor, offering unmatched precision and accuracy. Whether you're aiming in FPS games or making quick movements in MOBAs, this sensor ensures flawless tracking with a high DPI range and zero spinouts. The optical Gen 3 switches provide a lightning-fast response time with no debounce delay, giving you the edge in competitive play. Plus, they're rated for 90 million clicks, making them highly durable. What about battery life? The Viper V3 Pro delivers up to 95 hours on a single charge, which is perfect for marathon gaming sessions. And with Razer Hyperspeed wireless technology, you get lag-free, ultra-stable connectivity. It also supports wired mode via USB-C, so you never have to worry about downtime. So, is the Razer Viper V3 Pro worth it? If you're a serious gamer looking for top-tier performance, ultra-lightweight design, and incredible battery life, this mouse is a solid choice. However, if you're on a budget, there might be other options worth choosing. What do you think about the Razer Viper V3 Pro? Let us know in the comments.